I wanted to share what I got from Amazon, and I've been using those crochet hooks for the past week or so, and I'm so impressed, so I had to share them with you. I mean, look at these colors. Who wouldn't like to share them? But the first thing that drew me actually was the case, because crochet hooks in a case, I could not pass that. I like that there's a tiny pocket here. Actually, I can put like a pair of scissors, a needle in a tiny little flat little pouch or something, but it's gonna be so helpful having that pocket here. Then the crochet hooks themselves are so adorable. I mean, look at these colors, and they stay really put. They do not move, they do not go out, because there are elastics here holding them, and I like that a lot, because I can even just do this and still find it's gonna find its spot inside the case. So I've been using 5.5 the most. This is my most favorite number, and I've been crocheting. I made a hexagon jacket already, but I want to show here how I'm using it. It's so comfortable. It comes outside of my hand, which I like a lot because it doesn't stab the edge of my palm, and I can crochet just fine with it, just like any other hook that has this shape. I like the head being over here a little bit deeper, and my stitches stay put in place, and it just slides and it goes through the stitches just fine. I've been using hooks like this from other brands, and I'm used to the shape, but I do enjoy that a lot. Here is the edge from side to side. It works just fine. I'm a loose crocheter, so my tension is always something I focus on. So here are half double crochets, and it works just fine. I enjoyed it a lot. I made a hexagon cardigan with it, and I was able to work, quickly, and my stitches are the same all around. But this also comes from the tension you use. So here it is. I also do amigurumi, and then for the amigurumi I'm actually using the 3.5 crochet hook. So here it is. So here's a little chicken, and you can find the patterns for the amigurumi chicken or the hexagon cardigan on my channel, and you can check out my versions of those projects. But here is the 3.5. Oh, that blue color and the yellow, so good together. But here how the head of the crochet hook looks like, and then I can just go into the stitches with no problem. And I'm using acrylic yarn for the pink swatch, and I think this is milk cotton, but this is also an acrylic yarn, so it just works just fine. And the stitch definition here is good all the way. My stitches here at the top, they're all the same as well. And I also like holding my scrap yarn that I have accumulated over so many projects. So I'm holding 3 strands here, And for this, I probably can even go with 7, but I wanted to check the size 8mm crochet hook here. And it works just great as well. So here it is, just single crochets. I make a lot of baskets, so you can check out my baskets with holding the yarn, you know, with 3 strands or 2 strands, depending how thick it is. So let's see, double crochet. So here I did some double crochets here, but let's demonstrate here. I like the best for my baskets is using a half double crochet. So here it is, half double crochets. There. Let me get some yarn. And over here. So it works great with those multi-strands type of yarn. And if you go with a smaller size, you'll have, of course, tighter stitches. So that's how you can control the tightness of your stitches. So there it is. But I'm also using my tension a little bit tighter. So here, oh, that's such a good color too. You cannot pass. Those colors are just adorable. And it's such a great set because you can carry this from room to room. That's mainly how I crochet at home, right? You move from spot to spot, and I can just carry them just like this. Look how thin the case is. It doesn't take much space, and it's a very good size. Let's see, where is my measuring tape? So the case is about 8.5 inches to 8.5 inches. It's a very good square. The zipper goes nicely all around. The stitches are uniform here on the case. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed, and I'm so happy now that I have a full set starting from 3.5mm all the way till 8. So I can work on quite a range of yarns, and the most yarns I use are 4-weight yarns and 3-weight. So 4mm for that 3-weight yarn. And when I hold the yarn with multi-strands for baskets, definitely a big crochet hook. And I love it. I love it. And a spot for my scissors, and a pair of couple of needles, and maybe a few stitch markers. I will add them. We all have them all around the house, and it will make a great gift as well. If you know somebody and you know, it's a birthday, Mother's Day, or any type of holiday, or no reason at all, you can gift one. So impressed. I am really impressed. Happy crocheting. It's Tansy here. Check those tutorials in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next one.